Bonjour and welcome to Discover.Learn.Travel. Let's explore the charm and magic of the Eiffel Tower today. We'll deeply dive into its captivating history, discover some interesting tidbits, and discuss why checking out this architectural wonder is a must-do on anyone's bucket list. Come along for the adventure. Before the journey begins, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for daily adventure and curiosity around the world. Number 1. Iconic Symbol. The Eiffel Tower stands tall in Paris, showing off the city's romantic charm and cool culture. It's famous and everybody wants to check it out when visiting Paris. Gustave Eiffel built it for the 1889 World's Fair, and it's still blowing minds today with its fancy lattice design. People love it because it's like the ultimate symbol of Paris, representing love, beauty, and all that good stuff. Whether you're a tourist or a local, you gotta go see it because it gives you the best view of the whole city. And when the sun sets, it's like this magical golden tower that makes Paris even more awesome. Number 2. Panoramic Views. Climbing to the top of the Paris Tower is an amazing experience that gives you unbeatable views of the city's famous landmarks and busy streets. As you make your own way up, you'll see the bustling city below, revealing the timeless charm of Paris from a unique perspective. From the observation decks, you'll have a stunning view of iconic sites like the Notre Dame Cathedral and the expansive Louvre Museum. The peaceful Seine River winds its way through the city, adding to the picturesque scene. Each look from the tower offers a fresh view of Parisian life and culture. Don't forget to snap some photos to remember this unforgettable moment. Number 3. Architectural Marvel. Crafted by the visionary Gustave Eiffel, especially for the grand stage of the 1889 World's Fair, the Eiffel Tower is a true marvel of human creativity and architectural genius. Its iconic design, with its intricate lattice ironwork and graceful curves, has been captivating visitors for over 100 years. But it's not just a pretty sight. The tower is also a triumph of engineering, pushing the boundaries of construction techniques of its time. As you make your way up to the tower, you are not just taking in the incredible views, you're also learning on a journey through history. You'll learn about how the tower came to be, the challenges its builders faced, and the lasting impact it has had on culture and society. Every rivet and beams tells a story of innovation and perseverance, showcasing the incredible achievements of Eiffel and his team. Today, the Eiffel Tower isn't just a symbol of Paris. It's a global icon that draws millions of visitors each year. Number 4. Historical Significance. Ever since it opened more than 100 years ago, the Eiffel Tower has been super important to Paris. It's not just a big metal structure, it's like a symbol of the city itself. The tower has seen tons of big moments in history, from happy parties to serious stuff. Lots of famous leaders have visited there, and people from all over the world come to hang out. It's not just about how it looks. Although it's cool, it's also about what it represents. The tower is like a symbol of Paris being strong and beautiful. It's seen so many cultural events happen around it, bringing people together from everywhere. The tower shows off not just France's history, but also how smart and creative people can be. It's not just about France, it's about how we can all come together and feel hopeful no matter where we're from. Number 5. Romantic Atmosphere. The Eiffel Tower in Paris is like a magnet for romance. While watching the sun go down with someone special or sharing a fancy drink at one of the tower's restaurants. It's the kind of place where people often pop the question, celebrate anniversaries, or do something extra sweet for their partner. It's not just a tourist spot, even locals go there to feel the lovey-dovey vibes. Number 6. Cultural Experience. Visiting the Eiffel Tower is taking a cool journey through French history and culture. You get to learn all about why it was built and how it became such a big deal in Paris. There are fun exhibits and fancy screens that show you everything about the tower and why it's so famous worldwide. It's not just a big metal structure, it's a symbol of how smart people can be and how things can change over time. People still love it today, even though it's old. Going there isn't just about seeing a famous sight, it's stepping into a time machine and learning about the past while being amazed by something awesome. Number 7. Elevated dining. At the Eiffel Tower, you can find lots of places to eat, from casual cafes to fancy restaurants. They serve yummy French food, and while you eat, you get to see amazing views of Paris. It's an experience where you can enjoy delicious food while looking out over the city. When you're hanging out with friends or having a special meal with family, it's a memorable time. The food is made with a lot of care and the service is top-notch. Eating at the Eiffel Tower feels like being part of something special, and it's a great way to enjoy the beauty of Paris while treating yourself to tasty French dishes. Number 8. Accessible for all. The Eiffel Tower is super easy for everyone to visit, no matter how old you are or if you have any physical challenges. They have elevators that take you up to the top, so you don't have to climb stairs if you don't want to. And if you prefer ramps, they have those too. So families can all go together and have a blast. Once you're up there, you can see amazing views of Paris and take pictures. It's a big adventure for everyone, from kids to grandparents, and you'll have a great time exploring this tower. Number 9. Entertainment and events. Imagine fireworks lighting up the sky, fancy light shows, and cool art displays covering the tower. It's always buzzing with excitement. From colorful events to interesting cultural shows, there's something for everyone. You can watch stunning light shows set to music or check out exhibits celebrating different cultures. It's a chance to dive into the fun side of Paris and learn new things while being surrounded by this famous tower's charm. Number 10. Bucket List Experience. Many people dream of going to the Eiffel Tower, and it's a big deal when they finally get there. It's a once-in-a-lifetime thing you shouldn't miss out on. The tower is super famous and looks amazing with all its iron beams. When you go up, you can see all of Paris, which is amazing. It's not just about seeing stuff, it's about feeling connected to the history and vibe of the city. Plus, it's a memory you'll never forget, like something out of a storybook. Going to the Eiffel Tower isn't just a touristy thing, it's going on a special journey to a famous place that makes you feel inspired. Experience the Eiffel Tower, a masterpiece that transcends time and embodies love. Admiring its beauty from a distance or climbing to its summit, a visit to this iconic landmark is an unforgettable journey that will leave you enchanted and craving for more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, au revoir!